Today in the review meeting chaired by our Honorable Chief Minister, as you have been informed by the HS, the active cases every day keep increasing, which prove that the situation is very, very grim, especially in East Khasi Hills district. Therefore, today the government has taken a decision that from tomorrow 8 p.m. from tomorrow 19 May 8 p.m. we will impose total lockdown in East Khasi Hills district up to 31st May 21 at 5 a.m. in the morning. The second point that we have taken today in the review meeting, other districts than East Khasi Hills district, again the government has authorized all the respective deputy commissioners to take appropriate decision if need be in line with the decision that the government has taken today for East Khasi Hills district. During this total lockdown in East Khasi Hills district, we have entrusted Deputy Commissioner to work out all the details along with the SP of East Khasi Hills and SP of Shillong City to make sure that the imposition of total lockdown in East Khasi Hills should be effectively followed to. Emergency and essential services for the people of East Khasi Hills, this also will be worked out by the deputy commissioners to make sure that the essential commodities reaches to all the respective household in the entire district of East Khasi Hills. And the next point is vaccination drive, as already fixed by the health department, will continue. Vaccination centers and vaccination drive during the total lockdown in East Khasi Hills will go on. We would like to request all the citizens of East Khasi Hills as well as the residents of Meghalaya to kindly adhere, respect, and also strictly followed the regulations issued by the government and also the district administration in the respective districts. I would also request all the citizens of the state, please don't take this matter lightly. You need to make sure that you take this issue very, very seriously up to the household level and don't just ignore the advices and the regulations as well as the notifications issued by the government. And during the total lockdown in East Khasi Hills, we will not allow movement outside or inside the East Khasi Hills district, except, as I already mentioned, those unavoidable and emergency services. So I would advise all the concerned citizens of the state during the 10 days total lockdown in East Khasi Hills, stay wherever you are. Don't please come to East Khasi Hills, especially to Shillong city. Those death cases that has happened, SOP has been issued by the government very, very clearly and very, very strictly that funeral or ritual can be easily held, but with the maximum numbers of persons to 15 only. 15. There were misconception, misunderstanding here and there, where those people who conducted the services of such positive cases deceased. Some people says that the moment you completed the rituality, the moment you completed the funeral services, you need to isolate yourself for 10 days. I think that is totally wrong. Except if there are positive cases among those 15 persons who attended the funeral services. Why I'm saying this? Because strict protocols has been issued, and then PPEs also has been provided to each and every houses of those unfortunate deceased who died out of the COVID-19. Isolation centers, isolation care centers, or corona isolation centers, whatever you say, we have asked Health Department to issue the detailed write-up, the detailed plan, how to set up such isolation centers in the community level, and we would also fervently urge all the concerned villages, the concerned community, the Rangbashnong, the Senjuk Kinosensarsnong, Ki Seng Bahalang, all Ki Sengniam, all the concerned stakeholders, please join with the government. Please share the responsibility with the government for having such isolation centers in the community level. And notification has been issued, and we have entrusted the respective deputy commissioners in consultation with the BDOs, the field officers, and especially the consultation with the respective Dorbarshnong community committee for setting up of such isolation centers wherever necessary. Issue I would like to share here for the information of our citizens of the state: stock of food items is available. You don't have to worry about the stock. We do have the stock, and unlike last year where we had a national lockdown, we did have suspension of train services, suspension of air services, so on and so forth. But this time, let me assure the citizens of the state, you don't have to worry about it because the stock is easily available. These were the issues where we discussed today. So if you have anything to ask, you can ask now. Shops, be it essential, be it necessary, means total lockdown. That is the meaning of total lockdown. Because all these days, what we did was, few areas were exempted. We still allowed. And people also keep moving out, moving in. But this time, total lockdown from tomorrow night at 8 o'clock has to be in place. This decision was taken by the government in East Khasi Hills. But at the same time, we have also again authorized all the respective deputy commissioners to take appropriate decision whether the situation in their district is required for a total lockdown or not. If need be, they can also impose the total lockdown. See, as I said to you right now, the surge happens, the epicenter I should say, the epicenter is here in East Khasi Hills. That's why we have taken this harsh decision that total lockdown has to be in place from tomorrow evening. And then as far as other district is concerned, we have seen their figures, we have seen the record, still manageable. But as I said to you again, decision has been already authorized to all the deputy commissioners to take their decision appropriately wherever necessary.